everybody, it's Ron from Ron's Computer Videos. I wanted to show you something kind of neat that I picked up at VCF Midwest, and it is this Sony Mavica digital camera. It is model number, oh gosh, I gotta adjust my glasses, MVC-FD92. And the whole deal with this one is it's kind of there at the end of the run, but it's not the FD200. That's kind of the one that everybody wants. But this one right here does a lot of neat things that I think maybe even the top end one doesn't do. It's only 1.6 megapixel, but it does something that some of the other ones don't, and it has like a real like a 6x optical zoom, which I think some of the other ones are just purely digital. And then it also has like a movie mode with sound, which is maybe something kind of cool. But the nice thing about it is it uses not only floppy disks, but can also accept Sony memory stick. So if you have, if you're going to be somewhere and you want to not take like a stack of floppy disks with you or something like that, you can absolutely just, you know, use the memory stick and take like tons of photos. But kind of the other thing that's neat about it too is if you do want to use the floppy drive, is this is one of the 4X models, and Adrian Black assures me that if you hook this up over USB to your PC, it is a 4X floppy drive for your modern machine, which I guess is kind of cool. But in any case, what I did is I did something that I haven't seen a lot of people do with the Mavica, which is, but I've seen them do with lots of other digital cameras, and that's, you know, taking a selfie. You know, with the Mavica, it's like a little more difficult. There's not really anything on the front to give you an idea of where you're framed up at. So if you kind of, you know, get things kind of close, you might be able to take a selfie. I don't really know. So just for fun, I ran around and I took a bunch of selfie photos with my Mavica at VCF Midwest, and then I took some other photos too, and honestly they all turned out a lot better than I kind of assumed that they would. So I figured I would just share that with you guys, and so I guess roll the footage. So there you have it. That's it was just like a bunch of photos. It was only like a minute or something, or a minute 30. I don't even know. I didn't watch it. But anyway, thanks everybody for taking a few minutes out of your evening and spending it with me. And as I always say, Apple II forever.